We should be proud of ourselves, man. We did everything we could to make sure that our boy win. We did everything after all the attack, the by celeb, bro, swearing at us. When I don't know, maybe some they did swear at him, her or him, her, yeah, but some maybe they did swear at him. But I don't know why he was swearing at us, swearing at the innocent guy. You can't call an innocent guy Guluva wenu, niyadina na Guluva wenu. You are where you are today because of us watching TV, making sure that we listen to the radio, we listen to your show, we're supporting your brand, we're supporting your business. Now we're trashing an innocent guy. This guy has got nothing to do with this. Anyway, let's focus on the positive side. Thank you for all celeb who supported, famous people who supported Sweet Guluva, who make sure that Sweet Guluva trend. Imagine this guy trend this week. It's been trending like to another level. It's been trending. But thank you to all the celeb, the famous people who make sure Sweet Guluva trend. Sweet Guluva get to be there to vote for him. Make sure that he take this 2 meter to KZN. So if we win, we win. If we don't win, it's okay. We did everything we could, man. Imagine how many. I mean, now I'm taking this game as a football. Like the yellow one. I'm that yellow one, but like if I win, I win. If I lose, I lost. What can I do? So yeah, man. Thank you to everyone who have been supporting him, man. I don't know, man. I'm so emotional, bro. Like, thank you to DJ Zinhle. Thank you to Zinmalo, Sizwe. You name them, bro. Like, there's so many. I don't know. You guys know Sima from Podcast and Chill. He was also, doing that thing, bro. Yesterday, because it's closed yesterday at 9 p.m. the votes, but I saw it around 5 p.m. the video. So yeah, man, people have been supporting us. So if we don't win, we don't win. But one thing, we're going to be, people are going to, they're going to laugh at us, man. They're going to laugh at us. But yeah, man, it is what it is, man. We did our best. Good luck to Sweet Guluva. Good luck to Sweet Guluva. Watch the video. Thank you. Please. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys, you don't subscribe. Anyway, there are videos, there are a couple of videos are here. Enjoy. I'm out of here. Thank you guys. Share your opinion. Cheers. Bye.
Bengithi mina sinizwile and sizomvotela sinizwile sinizwile sizomvotela mani nimvota ko.
Bestie, I have a question, but ngifuna ukubuza olebulayo nabo Arnold nawe ke nje futhi uma ukuthi umuntu othanda i-marketing and branding. I want to find out ukuthi le ndaba ka vote for Sweet Guluva, how do we look at it when it comes to marketing and branding? Ngibuza because the introduction of the name Sweet Guluva has been very strong. You've seen it everywhere. You've even seen it multiply into a position where celebrities, influencers are posting about it because of how much influence the public campaign has right now. So I want to find out from the guys who speak on marketing and branding, Sweet Guluva, how can he take advantage of this public campaign that's going on in his favor right now, from when he wins, which is what everyone wants, I assume, or even if he didn't, like, how does it take advantage of his brand having this kind of exposure? How does it take it forward and build a brand?
Ubani manje lo Sweet Guluva lo? Ngiyazi ngezwe abantu balibali bathi vote for Sweet Guluva. South Africa njalo kuyavote. So sesidlule imisebenzi. Yazi sivotile last year. Nina navotela leya party ngidlima kabi. Bhekani manje asina gesi. So votela lo Sweet Guluva khona kanti yena uzovela athathe namanzi. Kenzakalani la? Hey, South Africa njalo siyavota.
If there's one thing I admire about Sweet Guluva on Big Brother, it's definitely those pink sandals that he pulled out on Sunday. Because one can come up with bomb outfits with those pink sandals. If you know where Mr. Guluva bought those sandals, please tell the rest of the country so we can be plugged. Oh,
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Thank you guys for watching, man, for watching all these, edit that I did for this video. And please, man, don't forget to subscribe. You guys who don't subscribe, you just watch and don't subscribe. Guys, please, man, let's grow this channel, bro. Like, please, just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe every time when you watch my videos. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.